Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to remove the $recycling.bin file you might have stuck on your computer. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial we're going to be going into today. And we are going to start by heading over to the command prompt. So we're going to right click on the start button. And once we right click on it, select command prompt admin from the list. If you receive a user account control pop-up, select yes. And now enter whichever drive you're having this issue with. So in my case, it'll be the C drive, followed by a colon. It could be different in your guys' case. Once you're done doing that, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. So now you want to type rmdir space. Then you want to do a quotation sign. So 2 little lines. Then you want to do a $sign, recycle. .bin, then another quotation sign, space /s/q, and then hit enter on your keyboard. So once you're done doing that, you can close out of the command prompt window and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.